If your Lexus NX refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Data shows that 85% of these connectivity issues are simple software handshaking errors. Let's isolate the root cause using a proven step-by-step troubleshooting process. First, toggle your phone's Bluetooth, verify iOS content restrictions, and force reboot the Lexus infotainment system. Inside your Lexus menu, navigate to projection settings and confirm that Apple CarPlay is explicitly enabled. On your iPhone, make sure CarPlay is allowed while locked, or try forgetting the car entirely. If wireless mode fails due to interference, switching to a certified Lightning or USB-C cable often solves it. Our data indicates that nearly half of all connection drops stem directly from iOS software bugs. Perform a full reset sequence by deleting the pairing profiles on both the car and your phone. Make sure you are using the front data-enabled USB ports and clean any lint from your phone port. Keeping your vehicle's multimedia firmware updated is critical for long-term compatibility with modern smartphones. If this fixed your Lexus NX CarPlay, hit that subscribe button for more tech playbooks.